Welcome to our gentle and postnatal-friendly Yoga Pilates class that targets the core and pelvic floor. Let's begin in Child's Pose today. You can place your arms next to the sides of your body, extend them forward, or rest your head on your hands. Breathe and relax, settling into your practice. Now walk both hands to the right side of your mat, gently stretching the left side of your body. And walk them over to the right. Back to center, and make your way onto your hands and knees, tabletop position. Let's go into our cat-cows. Inhale, arch the back, gazing up, and exhale, round the spine, gazing to your belly. Keep going, a couple more rounds at your own pace. If you're doing this as a postnatal class, you might want to avoid arching the spine and do pelvic tilts instead of the full cat-cow movement, just to be safe. Alright, last one. Then stay in your tabletop and lift your right hand slightly up and forward on your mat, back to center, and other side, left hand goes forward, back to center. If you want to make it harder, extend the arm forward and back to center. Other side, try to keep your body as still as possible, only moving the arms. One more on each side. And let's do the same thing with your legs now. You can come down to your elbows to give your wrists a little break, or stay on your hands, and then extend the right leg back, toes grounded first, center, and left leg back, center. Again, to make it harder, lift the leg up, bring it back to center, and other side. Great job, keep going. One more on each side. And then sit back into Child's Pose, but place your right arm underneath the left for a thread the needle variation. Now come back up and switch sides, left arm underneath the right. Extend both arms forward and then slowly roll up into Thunderbolt, rolling your shoulders back. And come into a comfortable seated position like Easy Pose, or you can also stay in Thunderbolt. On your inhalation, reach both arms up, and exhale, place your hands behind your head, fingers interlaced. Inhale, gaze slightly up, and exhale round, bringing the elbows down. Inhale to straight and exhale round. Inhale, grow tall and exhale around. Inhale, straighten and exhale, release your arms down, making your way onto your back. Hug your knees in and maybe take a gentle rock from side to side if that feels good on your back today. Let's go into another core exercise. First, ground both feet. And then lift your right leg into a reverse tabletop. Extend it, resting along the mat. Back to tabletop. And ground the foot. Other side, left leg into reverse tabletop. Extend. Back to tabletop. And plant the foot down. Keep going. If you want to make it harder, you can hover the leg above the mat when you're extended, but make sure that your back doesn't move. You want to keep your spine neutral. Keep your feet down and let's do the same thing with our arms. Extend both arms up and then extend your right arm over your head, back to center, and left arm extends, back to center, 2 more on each side. Let's add the legs to it, combining the leg and arm movement. Right leg to tabletop, and as you extend the leg, extend the arm, both back to center and other side. Only 2 more. One more. And then hug your knees in again for just a moment. Extend your left leg along the mat while you hug the right knee in. Then bring the left leg in and extend the right leg along the mat. Again, both legs in. Extend the left leg, back to center, and extend the right leg. You can go on like this or pick up the pace for all leg switches, hovering the extended leg along the mat. Hug both knees in. Then ground both feet and lift up into bridge. Lower and lift. Only a couple more. Then hold your bridge and slightly lift the right foot off the mat, back down and lift the left foot. Again, right and left. Keep going at your own pace, focusing on the muscle engagement and not on the height of the leg. Nearly done. Beautiful. Release your hips down and place your right ankle onto your left knee for our reverse pigeon. You can stay here or lift the leg up, holding it with your hands. Breathe and relax. Unwind and switch sides. Left ankle comes onto your right knee. Release. Extend your arms out to the side and allow both knees to fall to the left and to the right. Back to center and come into your Savasana, extending your legs wide along the mat, allowing your feet to relax open. Your arms are resting next to the sides of your body with your palms facing up. Close your eyes and bring your awareness inward. Gently bring some movement into your fingers and your toes. Bend your knees and come into a comfortable seated position. On your inhalation, reach both arms up, and exhale, bring your hands down to your heart, bowing down and thanking yourself for taking time for your practice today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this class and I would love to hear from you, so subscribe and leave me a comment below. Bye!